Namaste and hello, this is your Sanskrit instructor welcoming you back into lesson number 209. So in the previous video, we went over the comparative and the superlative degrees of comparison in the last couple of videos. And after a comparative, the term of comparison is put in the ablative. So this is focusing on how we're applying the comparative and the superlative. And then after the superlative, the genitive or the locative case is used. So, for example, the king was defeated by an enemy stronger than Bhima. So stronger than Bhima is what we want to focus on, because after the comparative, the term of the comparison is put in the ablative case. So that's exactly what we're seeing here. Bhimad originally came from Bhimat. That was ablative. And Bali Yasa. Yasa is the case ending for the ablative case as well. So Bhimad Bali Yasa Shatruna Nripo Jitaha. So was defeated. The king is in the nominative case, and then Shatruna, by an enemy. So this is by an enemy, that's instrumental. However, an enemy stronger than Bhima. Stronger than Bhima would be ablative. So stronger is in the ablative, even though the enemy is the one that's stronger. It's agreeing with who it's being stronger than, and that's Bhima. Okay, so stronger is in the ablative case, Bali Yasa, and then Bhima is in the ablative case. And then next is after the superlative, the genitive or the locative cases are used. So in this example, we have I gave a garland to the dearest of my friends. So Mitrarnam. So that is in the genitive case. But then Prishtaya is that is dative singular. So this is dative. But notice how that's to the dearest is dative. So to the dearest is dative. But then of my friends, that is genitive. So mitrarnam is genitive, plural. Of my friends, plural. But to the dearest is dative singular, because it's one person you are giving this garland to. So dative singular. And then I gave a garland. Malam ayacham. Malam ayacham. So mitrarnam prishtaya malam ayacham. I gave a garland to the dearest of my friends. Then the next, like among the heroes, Rama is the best. So out of all heroes or among heroes, this is going to be in the locative plural. And Rama is the best, Ramaha, Shrishtaha. But then Vireshu is locative plural. Among the heroes. And now finally, let's take a look at the word sarva, which means all, and it is declined like a pronoun. Sarva means all, and it's declined like a pronoun. So here's the table for you to take a look at it as a whole. So you have masculine and feminine, and then we also have neuter here at the bottom. So starting with the masculine and zooming in. So we have nominative, singular, dual, and plural for the masculine. We have sarvaha, sarva, sarve. Accusative, singular, dual, and plural. Sarvam, sarvau, sarvan. Instrumental, singular, dual, and plural. Sarvirna, sarvabhyam, and sarvaih. Dative, singular, dual, and plural. Sarvasmai, sarvabhyam, sarvabhyah. Ablative, singular, dual, and plural. For masculine gender, we have sarvasmat, sarvabhyam, sarvebhyah. For genitive, singular, dual, and plural, we have sarvasya, sarvayohu, sarvesham. Locative, singular, dual, and plural, we have sarvasmin, sarvayohu, and sarveshu. And then vocative, singular, dual, and plural, we have he sarva, he sarvau, he sarve. That's for the masculine. Now for the feminine, for nominative, singular, dual, and plural, we have sarva, sarve, sarvaha. Accusative, singular, dual, and plural, we have sarvam, sarve, sarvaha. Then for instrumental, singular, dual, and plural, sarvaya, sarvabhyam, and sarvabhihi. For dative, singular, dual, and plural, we have sarvasyai, sarvabhyam, and sarvabhyaha. Sarvabhyaha. So sarvasyai, sarvabhyam, sarvabhyaha. Then for ablative, we have sarvasyaha, sarvabhyam, and sarvabhyaha. For genitive, we have singular, dual, and plural, sarvasyaha, sarvayohu, and sarvasam. For locative, singular, dual, and plural, we have sarvasyam, sarvayohu, and sarvasu. And then vocative, we have he sarve, and he sarvaha. Then finally, for the neuter gender, so the only thing that makes the neuter different like the masculine is that for nominative, singular, dual, and plural, we have sarvam, sarve, and sarvarni, and then the rest is declined like the masculine. As a matter of fact, this does not only apply to the nominative, but for the neuter, sarvam, sarve, sarvarni is also for the accusative case, singular, dual, and plural, and also for the vocative case, singular, dual, and plural. So for both nominative, accusative, and vocative, for all of them, you're going to have sarvam, sarve, sarvarni. Obviously, for the vocative, you'll have he sarvam, he sarve, and he sarvarni. And then the rest is declined like the masculine, from instrumental, singular, dual, and plural, all the way to the locative, singular, dual, and plural. So this is the declension of sarva, and this is the application of the superlative and the comparative. And with this is your Sanskrit instructor signing off with a namaste.